What's up car lovers and muscle car fans? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're stepping into the golden era of American automotive history with a true pioneer of the pony car movement, the legendary 1964 Plymouth Barracuda. And not just any Barracuda, we're talking about a stunning white color example that perfectly highlights the clean lines, bold personality, and timeless charm of this classic machine. Before the Mustang took over the spotlight, the Barracuda quietly arrived and set the stage for what would become one of the most competitive segments in car history. This car isn't just metal and chrome, it's a symbol of innovation, risk-taking, and raw American style. So buckle up, smash that like button, subscribe for more classic and modern car content, and let's take a deep dive into the 1964 Plymouth Barracuda, exploring everything from its exterior design to interior comfort, performance personality, and current market prices. Exterior. Let's start with the exterior, because this is where the Barracuda instantly makes its presence known. The white paint on this 1964 model gives it a clean, elegant, and almost futuristic look for its era. Back in the early 1960s, this design was bold and unconventional, and today it stands out as a refreshing departure from the boxy sedans of the time. The most iconic feature has to be that massive wraparound fastback rear glass. This single piece of curved glass was one of the largest ever installed on a production car back then, and it completely defines the Barracuda's silhouette. Up front, the Barracuda features a simple yet aggressive face. The grille design is minimal but purposeful, flanked by round headlights that give the car a classic and confident expression. The chrome accents across the bumpers and trim add just the right amount of shine without overpowering the clean white body color. The hood lines are subtle but muscular, hinting at the performance potential hiding underneath. From the side profile, the car looks sleek and aerodynamic, with a long hood, short rear deck, and a flowing roofline that gives it a sporty stance even when parked. When sunlight hits the paint, the contours and curves come alive, emphasizing how well-balanced this design truly is. Moving to the rear, the fastback design creates a smooth taper that improves aerodynamics while giving the car a sporty character. The taillights are simple and elegant, framed by chrome details that scream classic American styling. The overall stance is low, wide, and planted, making the Barracuda look ready to launch even when standing still. Whether you're cruising down a highway or parked at a car show, this white 1964 Plymouth Barracuda commands attention without needing flashy colors or modern tricks. It's pure, honest design that has aged beautifully. Interior. Step inside the 1964 Barracuda and you're instantly transported to a time when driving felt raw, mechanical, and deeply connected. The interior design is straightforward, functional, and driver-focused. In this white Barracuda, the interior typically features classic vinyl upholstery, often in black or light tones that complement the exterior color. The seats are wide, comfortable, and designed for relaxed cruising rather than aggressive corner carving, but they still offer enough support for spirited driving. The dashboard layout is clean and easy to understand. Large analog gauges dominate the cluster, giving you clear readings of speed, fuel, and engine information. There's something incredibly satisfying about watching those old-school needles move as the car comes to life. The steering wheel is thin, large in diameter, and full of vintage charm, offering that unmistakable classic driving feel. Chrome accents and metal trim across the dash add character and remind you that this car comes from an era when craftsmanship mattered. One of the standout interior features is the visibility. Thanks to that massive rear glass and generous window area, the cabin feels open and airy. You don't feel boxed in like many modern cars. Rear seat space is surprisingly usable for a compact fastback, making the Barracuda a practical choice for its time. The trunk area, accessible through the fastback opening, offers decent cargo space for weekend trips or daily errands, proving that this car wasn't just about looks. Every switch, knob, and lever has a mechanical feel that modern cars simply can't replicate. Driving this Barracuda isn't about luxury gadgets, it's about experiencing the road, the engine sound, and the pure joy of classic motoring. Performance. Now let's talk about what really matters to many enthusiasts, performance. The 1964 Plymouth Barracuda came with several engine options, catering to different types of drivers. The base models featured a reliable inline-six engine that delivered smooth, dependable performance, perfect for daily driving and long cruises. However, the real excitement came with the optional V8 engines that transformed the Barracuda into a true performance machine. With the V8 under the hood, this white Barracuda becomes a whole different animal. The engine delivers strong low-end torque, allowing the car to pull hard off the line with that classic muscle car growl. Acceleration feels raw and mechanical, with power building in a way that modern turbocharged cars simply don't replicate. The exhaust note is deep, throaty, and unmistakably American, turning heads wherever you go. The driving experience is engaging and hands-on. The steering is heavier compared to modern standards, but it gives you a real connection to the road. The suspension setup is tuned more for comfort than aggressive handling, but it still offers decent stability for highway cruising and spirited backroad drives. Braking performance reflects the technology of the era, so it requires more driver input and planning, but that's part of the charm of driving a classic car. What truly makes the Barracuda special is the balance between performance and usability. It's fast enough to be exciting, comfortable enough to be enjoyable, and unique enough to stand out in any crowd. Whether you're cruising at sunset or lining up at a classic car meet, the Barracuda delivers an experience that modern cars can only try to imitate. Prices. Now let's talk about money, because owning a classic like the 1964 Plymouth Barracuda is not just about passion, it's also an investment. Prices for this model vary widely depending on condition, originality, engine configuration, and restoration quality. A project car or driver condition Barracuda can start in the lower price range, making it accessible for enthusiasts who want to restore and customize their own classic. Well-maintained examples with original parts and matching numbers typically command higher prices. A clean white Barracuda with a V8 engine, restored interior, and solid bodywork can reach significantly higher values, especially if it retains its factory specifications. Fully restored, show-quality models can go even higher, particularly when sold at classic car auctions or through specialty dealers. What makes the Barracuda a smart choice for collectors is its historical importance. As one of the earliest pony cars, it holds a special place in automotive history. Demand for classic American muscle and pre-muscle era cars continues to grow, and the Barracuda benefits from that trend. While prices may fluctuate with the market, the long-term value of a well-kept Barracuda remains strong. Insurance costs for classic cars are often lower when using collector car policies, and maintenance can be reasonable thanks to widely available parts and strong aftermarket support. This makes ownership more realistic than many people expect. Whether you're buying it as a weekend cruiser, show car, or long-term investment, the Barracuda offers excellent value for its legacy and driving experience. So there you have it. The 1964 Plymouth Barracuda in stunning white, a car that helped shape automotive history and continues to inspire enthusiasts around the world. From its iconic fastback exterior and classic interior charm to its raw performance and solid market value, this car represents everything we love about vintage American automobiles. It's not just a classic, it's a statement, a story, and a piece of rolling art. If you enjoyed this deep dive, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss another epic car review. Drop a comment below and tell me what you think about the 1964 Barracuda. Would you drive one daily, restore one from scratch, or keep it as a collector's gem? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video with another legendary ride.